In this video, I'm going to teach you very useful steps on how to fix random lock screen issue in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, a message should appear. Please click on open to continue. In a few seconds, you would be able to see a window like this. And here, please change the view into large icons. So in my case, it is already being set, but in your case, if not, go with large icons and eventually you would be able to see a computer settings like this. Here, you need to locate with device manager, which is in my case, it is being placed at the second row. All you need to do is you need to click on it. And the moment you have bring up the device manager, please close the control panel so that we can focus on this one. So from here, you need to locate for display adapters. Click on this forward arrow and select your graphics driver. Please make a right click and go with update driver and it will ask you to choose two options. Please locate with search automatically for drivers and it will automatically search for drivers for you. Okay, so if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, close the window, make a right click again, go with the uninstall device. Okay, so make sure that before attempting to uninstall the device, this one is unchecked. Okay, then click on uninstall and restart your machine. And once you've restarted it, it will be automatically installed again. It will be reinstalled again in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second method. The second method would be you need to navigate at the button search bar, type for control panel for the second time, and a best match would appear. Please click on open to continue. So here at the control panel, this time you need to locate where the power options, which is in my case being placed at the fifth row. So click on it and eventually you would be redirected where you can see the plan that you have selected. And in my case, balance, which is the recommended plan, is the selected plan that I have set here. Okay, so just proceed to the selected plan that you have and aligning to it, you can see there change plan settings. Please click on it and go with change advanced power settings to bring up this kind of window which is power options. Here you need to scroll down, locate with PCI Express, click on this add icon, link state power management, select it, go with this add icon and from here click on this down arrow key, off it as well as in plugged in, off it as well. Once you've set it, click on apply and then OK. Close the window and restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.